What's happening, everyone? Welcome to this video. My name's Hayden, and what we're going to do in this video is talk about my new private label brand that is almost ready to launch. We're almost ready to launch the first product. So what I'm going to do in this video, I thought it'd be interesting for you viewers at home to understand the full process that I've done from start to finish. It's not finished yet, but it's almost finished, me launching my private label brand. So without further ado, look at that. By the way, whilst we're on the topic, Dash, epic branding. Look at this brand, right? Check how many Dash are selling on Amazon. They're selling like hotcakes, and obviously they're in supermarkets and everything like that. The branding is spot on. They're the only organic, sort of natural sparkling water without sugar or sweeteners that I know of, and I'm just addicted to them. That was a little side note of someone that's found a gap in the market and absolutely gone for it. But anyway, let's get into my private label brand launch that is almost ready to go. We're almost ready to launch the first few products. Now, let me know in the comments below, if I get 10 comments, then I promise I will share with you. If I get 10 comments of people asking me to share it, say share below, and I promise to do a video sharing my brand, sharing the actual details of the brand. Okay. Now, a lot of people aren't a fan of doing that because people can copy your ideas and stuff like that. But I'm pretty certain that not many people are going to try and copy it because the amount of time and effort we've put into it, it'll be pretty hard to copy, to be honest, to find the right manufacturers. But anyway, this is how I first did it. Now, when I was initially looking for my first product idea, what I actually did was look on Helium 10 and everything like that, which a lot of the gurus tell you to do, which is totally fine. It's you can do it like that. And then look for a supplier in maybe China, for example. Now, I wanted to manufacture my products in the UK. Now, a lot of people don't know that you can manufacture products in the UK. It doesn't have to be China, right? You can manufacture these products in the UK. Many products that are private label, if you're selling them in the UK, you can manufacture them in the UK. Supplements, for example, a lot of grocery items, you can manufacture them in the UK, and that is private label. Private label doesn't have to be imported from China. So what I'm saying here is many people, and I did to start with, looked at sourcing products overseas by using Helium 10 and then looking for a supplier. What I did was found a supplier first. I found an opportunity first, reverse searched it on Amazon, and then now I'm launching a product on there with the manufacturer that I've got. And you can just see if there's enough demand. Does there have to be tons of demand? No. I don't care if this brand does 30, 40, 50 grand a month for all of the products. That's still, the margin, the profit margin is going to be pretty high on these, especially when we're bundling some of them together. So, I think it's quite easy to get blinkered sometimes. But anyway, that's how we did it. We found the manufacturer first and then reverse sourced it on Amazon. Now, there's no right or wrong way of doing this, but that's how we did it. The next stage was to check the demand on Amazon, and we used Helium 10 to do all that sort of stuff, guys. We used Helium 10. I've used Helium 10 for years. I always use it to check all the demand and everything like that. And then after that, it was a case of, right, let's get going and let's do it. So what we did was spoke to the manufacturer, told them what we want. We're just about to register our trademark now, so we can get the trademark on Amazon as well. Get it all going, get it all good. And then we're going to launch some of our products. And the beauty about launching products with a UK manufacturer, although the price point may be somewhat different, you can launch really high quality products. You can drive over and speak to your manufacturers, and I'm going to go and see mine soon, and you can build a really solid relationship with them. So even if you're making some smaller margins, a lot of the products, people really appreciate that they're made in the UK as well. And there's actually a massive demand for made in Britain products as well. And whatever country you're in, there will be a big demand for products that are made in America, products that are made in Poland, for example, if you live in them countries. So that's what we did, and now we're at the stage where we've got all the labels designed and everything like that. We've got all the don't want to give any secrets away, but we've got the flavors decided now, and now it's time to launch. And then the next, our launch date is January for the first 4 to 5 products. And then we're going to start putting them into our own gift range and everything like that. And sort of, we're going to have about 4 or 5 SKUs to start with, but then them same products are going to be made into gift boxes and made into gift selections. We're going to make them into bundles and do variations of the products as well. So I think from 4 or 5 products, we're going to end up with about 20 SKUs. Some are going to be in gift sets, etc. as well. So yeah, it's really exciting. Watch this space. Let me know if you've got any questions below. But yeah, I'm excited to do it, and yeah, I'm looking forward to updating you all on my journey. So that's my latest, just about to launch. Just a quick summary, we're just about to launch my private label brand in the UK. The deadline is January for that. Yeah, but hopefully sooner. So other than that, guys, it's been crazy. We've been kicking away at Christmas. Been hard work, but it's been good work. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. See you soon.